This 2020 NuCamp TAB NUCAMP 320 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used NuCamp is 15 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 2, leveling jacks, LP detector, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, air conditioning, smoke detector, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, water heater, and 11 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2020 NuCamp TAB NUCAMP 320 is 1,908 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.